Hey guys, it is day 7 of the Daniel fast, and I'm here with breakfast. It is 8:41 a.m. I have turmeric and ginger in hot water. It's the cold pressed turmeric and ginger that I have, and I'm eating breadfruit, plantain, and ackee. The breadfruit was, I'm not sure no. The breadfruit was roasted and frozen. So this morning, what I did was I put it in the air in the Ninja Foodie and I steamed it so it don't look very pretty, but it was frozen and it's nice and soft. It's kind of like it has the texture of boiled breadfruit now, but that's fine. And then I did some ripe plantain in there on the air crisp function, and I didn't use any oil again. So I had to struggle to get some of them out there, so like this one tear up, but that's fine. Kind of tight, but whatever. And then the akino, I boiled it in what? Boiled it in. I boiled it with a Scotch bonnet pepper, which I cut open so the pepper would, infuse in the ackee. Some cloves, thyme. I would usually put garlic in there, but I didn't have any whole garlic. I only had the minced garlic in the fridge in the olive oil. And I couldn't bother to do that, so there's some garlic in there. So that is breakfast. And doing this whole video documentary or this video vlog of the Daniel fast and eating has opened my eyes to how I eat. Many am bad. I hardly ever sit down and have a meal. I'm always just picking and going and on the go. Like now I came to my desk with my breakfast and my laptop is open and I'm going to be doing work while I'm eating. But at least right now I'm having a more well-rounded meal. Most of the times I don't do this. I pick and pick and pick. I probably eat something when I'm making food for everybody else, and then when I'm done, I won't eat while they're eating. And then when baby K is done, I'll eat whatever he left. And then especially when I'm on the road, I'll be out and about all day and not eat anything. So this has really opened up my eyes to how I'm horrible at taking care of my body. I'm gonna need to slap because I have a degree in dietetics. So why? Why, Bethany? Why? So I'm glad that I got this insight from having this whole video log. So now I'm making an effort. So this morning I said, all right, I'm going to make the effort to sit down and have a breakfast that looks more like a breakfast. And not saying that, breakfast foods are only restricted to breakfast time, but just to sit down and have a plate of food instead of to have like half of an apple here and then half of one pineapple over there. So a random cup of tea, a random bottle of water, a random bottle of coconut water. So I'm having my tea with my breakfast this morning. I put my coconut water to thaw because I have them in the freezer because I don't want them to go bad. I have like 3 bottles left. So I'm gonna need to get some of those. I wanted to get cold pressed coconut milk from the lady that does the cold pressed juices. I need to check with her. At the time she didn't have any. So I need to check with her if she has any now. And I'm also going to get some other cold pressed juices from her. Sometimes she have, I believe she does coconut water, and I must ask her about coconut water. If not, I probably just buy some coconut water on the road. There's a man that's usually on the road selling coconut water straight from the coconut. So I can probably go down there and just make him cut 2 or 3 and fill up a container and then come back. I probably need to save them last 4 bottles that I have so I can at least portion it out after if I buy it like that. But yeah, that's what we're having for breakfast this morning. I sent baby K to school with half of an OTEC apple and half of a gala apple. So I have those. I say I'll have that as a snack. It's now, I guess, probably at 12 o'clock we have that as a snack. So I'm gonna be more mindful about how I'm eating and not just throwing things in my mouth and running through my day how I'm usually doing. So that is one of the good things that's come out of this fast so far. and not just coming out of the fast, coming out of vlogging the fast, because probably if I wasn't sitting down and watching the videos when I'm editing them, this wouldn't been like a realization of mine that, yo, you eat bad, get it together. So we're getting it together today and hopefully for the rest of the time, because there's one thing that was putting time constraints on my days, which is no longer present in my life, so that might be a good thing. Yeah, so see you guys at my next meal or when I'm eating something else. Alexa, pause TV. Hey guys, it's lunchtime. It's past lunchtime. It's 12:56 p.m. and girl cute up her face because she was doing video with the I was doing a video with the jewelry box. So let me get my bus on Amazon. Me share the link. I can go and go watch my video on the description. What was I saying? What am I here for? Oh, I'm supposed to be telling you what I'm eating. So I have my coconut water. This is the infamous coconut water. My stepson had a project at school. I don't know if I said this before. They had a project where they're supposed to start a business and run a business. That is the whole course. It's a business course. So the business that his group did was they do bottled coconut water and juices, smoothies, whatever. So I buy out all them coconut water the week before I started this. I bought like 9 bottles from them. A friend of mine also bought some, so I didn't buy all of them, but yeah, we literally bought all the bottles that they made that day. And then he was like, but we wanted some to sell for sports day. And I was like, well, I'm buying all of them, so it's money here, or you can go to sports day and see if them sell. But I'm gonna miss it because I'm not sure if they're going to keep doing it because I'm getting them grade now. So yeah, that's the bottle of coconut water that I've been talking about. Why am I in a good mood? Come cute. I was sitting here feeling kind of, you know, I said, no, man, I need to go eat from like a little bit after 12. And then I said I wanted to record the video and get that out of the way so I could edit it before baby boy comes home, because he leaves school at 2 and I'm not going to pick him up today. So I said, I want done that before him come home. So I don't know, whatever. So this is half of a gala apple. It was in the fridge in my little heart-shaped container. This container is so cute. I bought it last year in Fontana with Valentine's Day gummies. I'm one of those people. I buy things, I'm gonna keep the container because it's a nice plastic container and it's cute. What? Yes, so I have half of a gala apple and half of an Otaiti apple, and I'm gonna drink my coconut water. I have not decided what I'm going to eat for dinner. I'm stressed out. I don't want to cook. We have Sunday, Monday. For those who don't know what that is, we have dinner left over from yesterday's dinner that the men are going to eat. But I need to go find something to cook for myself. I still have the burger and peas. It's frozen. I probably should have shared out. I put it all in one container. I probably should have shared it out in different containers so I could just grab one portion at a time. I need to take it out of the freezer at this point. I should have taken it out of the freezer a long time. Should have taken it out of the freezer from last night and put it in the fridge. But okay. I have some broad beans. I have broad beans, I have pak choy. Alright. I'm gonna do some broad bean stew and some steamed pak choy on the side with the burger and the Jerusalem peas. So that is the update. I like today. I should stay home more often. I'm my best person when I'm home. What? Anyhow, guys, I'll see you at dinner or at dinner time when I'm eating dinner. Or maybe I'll just do a little dinner b-roll and come back to you at the end of the day. Bye! See how I was saying I didn't have any oil? This says it's cold pressed olive oil. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit. It's almost done. I can't really see. Can you see nothing? I don't know. I'm gonna forget enough to see this. But anyhow, there's not a lot in there, so I'm gonna drizzle just a little bit in my bean stew, and I put my ground herb seasoning in there, as well as a piece of pepper. I cut up a chocha and put in there as well, and like a quarter of an onion. I'm gonna drop some of the garlic in there as well. The garlic is supposed to be in olive oil. Let me look if I can use that garlic, but I've been using the garlic. It just says with olive oil. Never say it in any special olive oil. So, but I've been using it. It just dawned on me that it didn't say cold press. And you know, like every time I start the Daniel fast, it's something like this that throws me off. I end up eating something and then I realize, oh, it has processed. It's processed. I can't have it. I'm gonna put some in there. It's garlic and olive oil. How bad can it be? I drank off my water. It is 3:05, so I'm gonna refill this now. I'm proud of myself. Drank this and the coconut water. So that's 1.3 liters today. Let's see if I go in, drink off the rest of this and do 2.3 liters today. Wouldn't that be something? So you don't have to take my word for it. To the time, 4-second bottle of water.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be